Well, hello there everybody. Today I'm going to be filming for you guys a room tour. Not that anyone asked for it, but I guess your wish is my command. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Say aloha to my room, peeps.
This one.
So this is the first drawer, but highly recommend. When you first enter my room, this is the door, and then here we have, who is that? So right here we got some verses from the Al-Baqarah, which is a surah in the Quran. When you walk away from the door and then you turn over to your left or right, depending on when you're standing. But we just have this huge built-in closet, I'd say. So the first one, if you remember from my 2017 room tour, it's my back closet. We got all backpacks from school days. We got this one from Zoella, Converse, Adidas, Kath Kinston. And then I hung up all of my backpacks, like mini ones. This one's from, it's from Guess. This was Foss. She gave it to me. This is one of my faves too. It's from Primark. Down here, just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I have my Kate Spade collection because my mom likes to get me Kate Spade. Got my ukulele, by the way. Oh, and yeah, I cut myself. I was cutting meat in the morning, so bad. Another one of my Kate Spade. This is really cute. It's really small. Also one of my faves, Malay. Got Zara. And then we just got extra caps because you'll see why it's there. Here we just basically have more pencil cases and purse. It's pretty messy, I'd say. Not that messy, honestly. Like if I just arrange it. Okay, there you go. And then here we have my hats and caps and beret. Is that what they're called? Beret? Two of them fell actually. That's why the remaining caps are there. Proceeding to the next closet. Okay, so up here we have all my jubas, starting from here, and going here we have my baju kurung. I try to color coordinate them, as you can see. Down here we have some coats for winter, a lot of leather jackets. I have one from Forever 21, Primark, Topshop. These, however, are not in order because I just washed them and I actually just received them, and they're brand new. They're just not neglected, and that one fell. Now to the very last closet, which I open almost every single day of my life. We're gonna start from the bottom. These are like duduk kat rumah punya baju. And then these ones are nightgowns. These are pajamas. By the way, I got like some cute ones from Primark, but the real pajamas that are actually super comfy are the ones you get from Tesco, guys. These ones are just duduk rumah punya seluar. Up here we just have the go-to. These are mostly t-shirts which I use for dancing, inners and stuff, because you know, hijabi and stuff. And then we got Ambi Pure. You'll see I have a lot of Ambi Pure in my room. I just love it. Got all like super big t-shirts. I don't know how to describe this, but they're just super big, you know what I'm saying? We'll begin from here. We just have my jeans. These are like, I'd say, my go-to jeans, and those ones are just some rare jeans. All of these jeans I use, I love them all. These are all my sweatpants. This one is thrifted, by the way. Like, can you look at that? These are also my go-to pants. Basically like culottes and palazzos and just stuff like that. Those are my telekung collection because my mom likes to get me telekung like all the freaking time. Right, so down here, I can't show you this side because those are my undergarments and it wouldn't be appropriate. Okay, I just want to show you what's in here. Basically, I have all my belts, as you can see, and some cute socks. Just bandanas. And down here, we have workout clothes, and we have swimwears. Those are winter stuff. These are my horse riding stuff, my horse riding pants. We have a very, very, very big window here. This is just a chair or a sofa chair, whatever you want to call it. When you switch over to the side, we just have my desk. We just have this white desk with this super duper comfy chair that I think is from IKEA. Let's talk about what's on the desk, yeah. My laptop, this fake plant lamp from IKEA. That's Sarah's Rubik's Cube. I know how to solve it, by the way. Another MB Pure, like I said. I love this smell, Romantic Rose. Oh, by the way, these are my favorite pens, like, in the whole entire world. Like, if you're looking for good pens, get the Pentel. Over here we have my planner, my duck notebook, which I write basically everything, and these are just from when I was younger, so let's just ignore that. And up here, as you can see, there's like a light here because my mom installed this freaking by herself, because, you know, I used to study here a lot when I stayed home during day school. This is a little board with a bunch of me's and my family. Basically, it's like really my thing. That's my grandpa. That's me and my bro, or me and my bully. That's me and my dad. I hated this, by the way, like this whole outfit. I just hated how so many skin was showing. My nai Tishamudin, guys. What the frick? When we shift on up here, we just have two like bookshelves, I'd say. These two are from Typo. We also got some bookmarks here. Cross stitch. Some dumbbells because I work out in my room. Coins. Some of the, no, actually all of the rolled out, but highly recommend. Typo, my brother got for me for my birthday. Typo, IKEA. Just want to show you, this is my medication drawer. It's a bit messy now, but we have like collection of susu kambing. Like literally shout out to Naga and Warisa. I get sick so easily, so. And then the drawer above, we just have my go-tos, like, you know, I just have the purse, metal straw like set, so if I go out with my friends or if I want to go out with my fam, I just bring this. Voila. And it's so dirty, ew. When you move on over to the right, we just have another drawer. This one is very familiar. It's the Alexander drawer from IKEA as well. And then mostly everything like here is from IKEA, like this one is not from IKEA, it's from Typo, and I customized it. Here we just have a bunch of the Tarte Rainforest in the sea, or at the sea, and our Tarte here. Back here we just have Beauty Studio aloe vera essence because I do my lashes there, and their lash and brow serum, which is amazing. You should definitely get that. So this is the first drawer, pretty messy. Like I said, I'm not gonna do like a makeup collection or whatever, but you can just pause or screenshot this if you want. These are just some of my favorite makeup products. We just have extra brow stuff and just a bunch of these like powdered stuff, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that I just don't use yet. This is a mirror my mom gave me for the Raya gift exchange last year. And these are all my makeup palettes. I don't use makeup palettes that often. I also have this list. I basically like listed stuff I want to get after SPM. This is so funny. And then down here we have all of my shawls. Actually like organize them based on material. So this kind of material. Then we have this kind of material. And then I have my iron, curler, and my straightener. And then we just have like satin here. Satin or chiffon. I don't even know what the name of the type. Then over to the side we have this chair which isn't supposed to be here. This is Tina and Sarah's. And then down here we just have this furry carpet from IKEA. Everyone has this. When you walk on over to the side also, you'll see this huge mirror. I usually, you know, come here to look at my outfits. You'll see the big window again. Let's do it again. This is my bed. It's from IKEA. I know a YouTuber who has the exact same bed. It's Hailey Sunny, if you know her. Girl, I love the Sunnies. Alright, so I think we're gonna start with the side table first. But basically, I have matching lamps because my mom just likes the look of lamps by the bedside. Like in these drawers, there are basically nothing, so I don't want to go through that. And then you can see down there, we have like an extra mattress about sometimes just in case if my brother wants to sleep in my room, in maybe here or outside in the living room. So, you know, this is the solution. I have this one, same thing with a lamp. We have a lean roller, my Vicks because king sinus. This one, jamu that my mom also bought for me, sinus. This is my phone. I'm filming with my sister's phone, Tina. It's a 6S, same thing. I'm using my brother's earphone. Shout out to my siblings. These are the two books that I'm currently reading. Down here, you don't really have anything for my Clarisonic and my other stuff. We got my very old MP3 because in boarding school. Here we have squishies because I'm a kid. Yes, squishies. I actually don't play with them anymore. Remember, this was 55, this was 50. So I don't want to throw this away. I just want to keep it until I grow old and give it to my kids. Let's talk about the bed, yeah. Here we have my blanket. I don't use the comforter when I sleep. I use this one because sometimes when I sleep, I don't even turn on the AC or the fan because my house is like dekat dengan the jungle, so it gets super cold. We just have this thin, very sejuk blanket my mom jahit by herself. And then we have this ruffle blanket, which is from IKEA. This bedding, it's like chocolate with some squares. This is just a pillow. There's another pillow from IKEA, same thing over on that side. Lisa and Lena, if you guys remember her, like the Musically Queen, had these at their living room. Then back here I sembunyi my bantal busuk. Same thing, my mom jahit this one. This one also I don't know where it's from, but they're different. I like the whole idea of like different pillowcases with like mix and match of colors with the bedding and stuff. I just love that vibe. Alright, we're gonna enter my little secret space. My mom helped build this curtain fall thingy. We have my yoga mat because like I said, I work out in my room. By the way, these are the switches. Got my air conditioner. That is the other side of my room. The other side of my room. There's just a bunch of, you know, photo frames. We just have ayat kursi. Is that ayat kursi? Ayat kursi. And then my graduation picture. My graduation picture with my mom and dad. Up here, we have this like DIY thingy I made for my mom, but she gave me back. No idea why. This whole like shoe rack thingy is from IKEA. So we just have all of my shoes. Got for my 17th birthday. Reebok, Nike, Air Max. This one I bought from London. My brother gave this to me. Love it. Love my shoe collection. Don't need more, honestly. This is like a little hanging thingy. Like let's say if I got like, you know, an event tomorrow, if I want to go with my friend, yanda go, so I'll just hang it here. As for now, I just have my little cat ears that I use every night for my skincare. Over here to the side, we just have a Polaroid wall. And we got more Polaroids over here with these gold, I don't know what they're called. And then we got this one that Sarah drew for me. So there's a big mirror at the very end of like this vanity table. I'm buruk because I like to wipe just like this table and other furnitures in my room because, you know, sometimes it gets dusty. My table is also actually pretty ratchet because when I was younger I like to do stuff like arts and craft here. Just brings back memories. These like clear thingy container are from Daiso, I think. We have all of my perfumes here. This one my little sister gave me for my birthday. Fee gave this for my birthday as well. I have another mirror that I use skincare for my face, and then another MB Pure. This is my speaker. A lot of you guys have been asking me where I got this. I don't know where I got this because I think my mom had this first and then she gave it to me, and we've been having this for a long time. And as you can see, some rust there. This glass container is also from Daiso, I think. I have all my cotton pads, my floss because I have sensitive gum. This is my eardrops, okay, not eye drops. This is also for my lashes. More MB Pure. Wow, that's a long strand of hair. Disgusting. This one's from IKEA. We've got the Claire's and Topshop hairbrush. This one on the right, very first, all my stationery. So pen sets thingy that I used to buy. This, some pencil cases, these thingy. I have a lot of notebooks that I'm keeping for college, and these are just my, you know, religious stuff. We got Quran, Mathura, religious stuff there. Is that an ant? No, it's not. Really messy because I haven't got time to clean it, but we just have all my gadgets, like my PSP Go. Like, I just like boy things. I'm not boyish, but I just like boy things. This is my Nintendo DS, which is like broken, which is the Nintendo DSi because I'm obsessed. Lol, I still have the iPhone box. This one, okay, this one is interesting. My jewelry drawer. I love this so much. I love just looking at it. It's so aesthetically pleasing, and like you're looking at it right now and you're just like, oh, yes, that's exactly how I feel. Here we just have my necklaces and chokers. These are just earrings. Then these are all like more of the delicate earrings, I'd say. This one's from Wanderlust actually, and all like the very pretty earrings. My rings, more big fancy earrings. And here we have my sunnies, just fake glasses, my watches, what else, Pandora bracelet, yes, with no charms. Get me a charm for my birthday, somebody. Nothing. So I'm not gonna show you. See? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, got ampao lah, but still nothing. Basically, I don't have enough space to put all of my shoes, so I displayed some here, one of my faves. The rest I keep them in these two drawers. Because I don't want my drawer, because it's not meant for shoes, I don't want them to go dirty. I put like book wrapper and I just lipat and just cut it into the shape of this drawer. Put it here so it's clear and it's plastic like. So we have all the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mel and Molly. These are not really mine. They were my mom's. These are actually Gucci flats. Primark boots. Just more heels. And then my tong sampah. That is not mine. That is Sarah's. Okay. Then this is the other side, with more shoes. We got all my slip-ons. Yeah, slip-ons. These are from Topshop, Vans, and then my Converse, Adidas, shoe pen, Vans, and stuff. Switch on the lights, and in you go to my toilet. Nothing really I want to show. It's just have more Ambi Pure because I love Ambi Pure. My toilet. Don't want to really show, but more Ambi Pure. And yeah, this is just what you see when you get out of the toilet. Ta-da! Closes. Kind of nasty. And we're done! Tina, say goodbye to them. She has to sleep because it's already 10:20. I'm gonna go now, so peace out. See you guys. Bye. Bye, Tina. She's sleeping with me because Sarah is sleeping in my parents' room. Hey, oh no, I actually have to go back in. Okay, bye.
Make me feel a little higher.
It's like dark now because the chandelier is on. When you turn on the chandelier, like, you see that one and that one. Chandelier. I'm right. Chandelier. I'm gonna scream from the chandelier. Right. Dun, 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 dun. With who they. Oh wait, the carpet. This is my bed. Was that too fast? Wait. Oh my god. One Direction. I'm obsessed. Pandora, Mellow? What? Okay, why can't I open that closet? Oh my god, this is so not like symmetrical. Let me just put it in a way that looks aesthetically pleasing.